Hi, are you spreading yourself too thin? Do you have too much on your plate and it's kind of driving you nuts? I want to talk to you about that. In this week's video, I'm going to talk to you about how you can do less and make more. Okay, so today I want to talk to you about something that's really important here. And this is about how many entrepreneurs, smart, savvy, talented entrepreneurs, are wasting so much of their precious time, right? Doing too many things, not gaining the traction and the momentum that you need in one specific area to actually grow your business. And so what I want to talk to you about today is how you can change all of that by focusing on your profit sweet spot. So what is a sweet spot in terms of your profit? Well, that's the area in your business where you are most aligned and most destined to succeed. So this is the area in your business where your gifts, your talents, the things that you really enjoy doing actually meet up at that intersection with what your clients need the most. This is the area where you can begin to leverage your business and make more money without having to do a gazillion things to start bringing in more cash flow. So how do you find your profit sweet spot? Well, a lot of times as a business owner, you are so close to your own business that you can't see things. You need someone else to give you outside perspective. So that's the first thing you want to do. You want to start reaching out to your current clients or even your past clients and ask them, what is it about working with you that was so special? You also want to look through your books, right? You want to look at where you're making the most money, what activity is generating the most income, and focus on that. Okay? Because these are the ways that you're going to identify what is your profit sweet spot. I want to share with you a story about what's actually possible. I had a conversation recently with someone who wasn't making much money in her business. She was doing too many things. Like many entrepreneurs, she's gifted and she's talented, and she really wanted to grow her business, but she was going about it the wrong way. She was going wide instead of narrow and deep. And when you do that, again, you don't gain the traction that you need to be successful at any one thing. So you become a Jack or a Jill of all trades, right? And that doesn't help you grow your business, and it doesn't help you increase your confidence or increase your clients or your prospects' confidence in you. So that's another reason why you really want to focus on your profit sweet spot. So in this conversation, I shared with this person how she could actually take her business from around $1,500 a month to $5,000 a month by actually doing less. I took a look at what she was doing and identified where she was able to make the most profit, and it was actually going to cost a lot less of her time to focus in that one area. And by doing that, she would turn her business into a profitable business instead of struggling like she has been for so many years to bring in more income. So think about where your profit sweet spot is. And obviously, I'm here to help you if you'd like to talk to me about how to find your own. So if you found value in today's video, I invite you to like, comment, and share it. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section for me, and I will answer them for you as soon as possible. And one more thing I want to share with you. I have an opportunity coming up to work with me in a group program, and I would love to share that opportunity with you. So if you're interested, if you're someone who's ready to grow your business to the next level, then I want to see you at DesireeStafford.com/growth to find out more about how we can make your business more profitable.
So, are you ready to make more money in your business? Well, visit me online at DesireeStafford.com/growth so I can show you how to make more money in your business by doing less.